What is this guy doing?
I am sober as a bird.
My name's Robert, and we're going to talk about traffic breaks here on DMV and Driver. So real quick, before we get into it, and in the spirit of talking about law enforcement, if you think the taillights of this Porsche look a little bit like RoboCop's helmet and visor, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. So a lot of people, when they see law enforcement doing a traffic break like this, they don't know exactly why. So there's several reasons. And when I was in law enforcement, there were several different times and several different cases that we would run a traffic break to slow people down. So one, in the instance of this video, is there's road construction and the people are picking up the cones. So with that being said, there was a pursuit where they have the vehicle stopped and they have the guns drawn and they're getting the people out. They'll basically bring a traffic brake in to slow traffic down so there's not crashes behind them when they're dealing with that incident. After that, then they'll clear it out. Other reasons that they'll bring a traffic brake in and they're weaving across as many lanes as they need to is if there's debris in the road and they have a call for it. So they're trying to make it to where fewer vehicles crash into the debris, and they're able to slow traffic down to make it safer for themselves, of course, and to make it safer for everybody else who's slowing down, so there's not rear end crashes coming up when they suddenly stop to pick up the debris out of the road. Other reasons is if there's a big crash on the road or something like that and vehicles are moving too fast, or if the tow truck's trying to get out of the cement median, they'll run a brake coming in to slow traffic down so that they can clear the roadway and stuff like that. So if you see law enforcement running a traffic brake and they're weaving across the lanes, just be courteous, give them space, stay back, look ahead. You're probably going to see why they're doing it here shortly. When law enforcement's done with the call, then they're going to take off, or they'll pull to the shoulder and then you can go by them, or they'll wave you through. But just be courteous, just be smart, stay alert, stay safe. Thanks for watching.